A car air filter prevents dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine, ensuring efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best car air filter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Forccord Car Air Filter. The Forccord Air Filter Kit is a high-quality replacement solution designed for a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota Corolla, 2009 to 2019, Corolla IM, 2017 to 2018, Toyota Matrix, 2009 to 2014, Toyota Yaris, 2007 to 2018, Scion XD, 2008 to 2014, Scion IM, 2016, and Pontiac Vibe, 2009 to 2010. Both cabin and engine air filters meet numerous OEM reference numbers, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance. Built with advanced HV filter paper, these filters provide 99.9% impurity removal, including dust, hair, and flux, while offering up to 200 longer life than standard filters. Engine air filters can last up to 20,000 miles, and cabin filters up to 20,000 miles or 1 to 2 years, reducing frequent replacements. The kit is easy to install, with simple panel and clip removal that avoids damage to your vehicle. Regular replacement helps maintain HVAC efficiency, reduce unpleasant odors, protect your engine, and prevent black smoke or fuel smells. Forccord air filters combine convenience, durability, and superior filtration for a cleaner, healthier driving experience. Now our second product is KAX Car Air Filter. The KAX engine air filter is a premium replacement designed for a wide range of Ram trucks, including Ram 1500, 3.6L, 3.7L, 4.7L, 5.7L, 5.9L, 2011 to 2023, Ram 1500 Classic, Ram 2500, and Ram 3500 models. Its 99.9% filtration efficiency ensures that fine particles such as dust, soot, pollen, sand, and water droplets are kept out of your engine, preventing premature wear and maintaining peak engine performance. Featuring KAX's special embossed filter paper, this air filter offers 3x protection with excellent crease stability and a large dust holding capacity, keeping filtration effective even over extended use. High-performance materials and advanced manufacturing give it 2x the lifetime of standard filters, with a recommended service interval of up to 20,000 miles. The 1:1 OE design allows for direct installation in the factory airbox without any tools or modifications, making replacement quick and hassle-free. Compatible with multiple reference numbers, the KAX air filter is a reliable choice for keeping your Ram truck running clean, strong, and efficient. Our third product is Fram Car Air Filter. The Fram Extra Guard engine air filter is a high-performance replacement designed for a wide range of Dodge Ram models, including 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 trucks from 2007 to 2022 with 6.7 LL6 or 6.4 LV8 engines. Engineered for double maximum protection, it provides 2x the defense of standard filters, keeping your engine clean and running efficiently for up to 12,000 miles. Installation is quick and easy. Simply remove the old filter, fit the Fram filter ensuring a proper seal, replace the cover, and fasten. Its fine filter media captures dirt, dust, and debris like a magnet without restricting airflow, maintaining optimal engine performance. By keeping the engine cleaner, it allows for smoother operation and improved horsepower, ensuring your truck performs at its best under heavy loads and tough conditions. With Fram Extra Guard, you get reliable protection, expansive airflow, and long-lasting performance, making it an excellent choice for Dodge Ram owners looking to maintain engine efficiency and durability. Now number 4, StaunchAuto Car Air Filter. The StaunchAuto Air Filter Kit is a premium replacement solution compatible with Hyundai Palisade models from 2020 to 2026. Designed for both engine and cabin protection, the engine air filter, CA11943, ensures cleaner airflow, while the cabin filter, 97133S8000/HZ46207LB, features coconut shell activated carbon to remove odors and harmful gases. Built with high-quality filter paper and a sturdy ABS frame, the engine filter provides twice the lifespan of ordinary filters. Its multi-layer filtration efficiently captures dust, impurities, and pollutants, delivering healthier air to your engine for optimal performance. The cabin filter's double-layer design ensures 99.9% particle filtration while maintaining low resistance, allowing smooth airflow and quiet operation from the air conditioning system. For cost-effective maintenance, replacing these filters every 6 months or 12,000 miles helps prevent debris buildup, purifies cabin air, and protects your engine from damage. StaunchAuto filters offer a simple, affordable investment that ensures cleaner air, better performance, and long-term savings for Hyundai Palisade owners. And our last choice is RVgolf Car Air Filter. The RVgolf Air Filter Kit is a high-quality replacement set compatible with Honda Civic 2016 to 2026 2.0L and Honda HR-V 2023, 2025, 2026 2.0L naturally aspirated gas engines. Note: not suitable for turbo engines or Civic hatchbacks. Designed for high-efficiency purification, the engine air filter features a high-fiber structure with precise filtration, removing 99% of airborne impurities to protect your engine. The cabin air filter uses multi-layer materials to capture dust, pollen, and other particles, creating a cleaner, healthier environment inside your vehicle. Its low-resistance design enhances airflow, improves engine efficiency, and reduces engine noise and vibration. The cabin filter also ensures quieter AC operation without sacrificing performance. Compatible with reference numbers CA12051, WA10416 engine, and CF11182, CP182 cabin, this kit is easy to install, allowing a seamless replacement in minutes. For optimal protection and performance, it's recommended to replace the filters every 12 months or 12,000 miles. RVgolf Air Filters provide reliable, efficient, and long-lasting engine and cabin protection for Honda vehicles. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.